She is a senior member of PYD, the Democratic Union Party, and a member of the Executive Committee of TEVDEM, the Movement for a Democratic Society Coalition. She is currently leading the diplomatic negotiations for the STC internationally, and she's been visiting a number of countries, the US and others in Europe, before she came to London on this visit. So we're very pleased to welcome you here to LSE today. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hearing what you have to tell us. Thank you.
هشت سالن سوری بگشتی ده کریزه که پر مزل را در باست به و با دناو به شر گران و کریزه کرده با کور رجلاتی سوری دکاری به پروژه کنون آوا بکن.
The whole of Syria has been in crisis for about 8 years, and within this deep crisis in northeast Syria, we've been able to develop a alternative project.
بنگه پروژه عدالت و کهویا نوبر همون پیکاته کرد عرب سوریان ترکمن آشوری ارمن و هر نوبر هر دو جنسان میل و جنده و کهویا پیکات و سر عرده دهات بره ببرن.
We embarked on a project of justice, of equality of all peoples of the region: Kurds, Arabs, Assyrians, Syriacs, and so on, and also the equality between men and women. And we've been carrying this project out for some time now.
يعني پروژه که تمامی به آلترناتیف رژیم سوری آم مرکزی حزب بعث.
It's a project that can be an alternative to the centralized Syrian regime.
وقت مجلس سوريا ديمقراطيك خسرية ديمقراطيك أرمان جمع بوكو أم براستي في بروجي تمامي بكن بروجي كسوريا جشتي لي هي حكومة بوان را دانستان دنكر مبهب را دجي تعش الشركر آليكاريا من نكرن كو بروجي مي سياسي ببا بروجي كجشتي.
Us as the Syrian Democratic Council and the Autonomous Administration, what we've been working towards and what our efforts have been towards is to make this a project for the whole of Syria, the project we explained. But the forces that we've been allied with and that we've fought against ISIS with did not support us politically.